You only get one chance to make a first impression. This is so true in real estate. In a hot market like Houston, you want your property to stand out. Buyers are busy. They often look at many homes. You want your home to be the one they remember. Pricing your home right is key. Look at similar homes that recently sold in your area. A good real estate agent can help you with this. They know the Houston market inside and out. Don't price yourself out of the market. Be realistic and you'll attract more buyers. Think about what buyers in Houston want. Is it a big backyard? An updated kitchen? Highlight those features. Make sure your home is move-in ready. Small repairs can make a big difference. A fresh coat of paint can work wonders. Professional photos are a must. They can make your home look amazing online. Buyers will be impressed by high-quality pictures. Staging can also make a big difference. It helps buyers picture themselves living in your home. Don't underestimate the power of social media. Share your listing on Facebook, Instagram, and other platforms. Use an eye-catching description. Highlight the best features of your home. Online listings are crucial. Make sure your listing is on all the major websites. Use great photos and a compelling description. Include all the important details. This will help your home get noticed. Open houses are a great way to generate interest. They give potential buyers a chance to see your home in person. Make sure your home is clean and inviting. A few fresh flowers can go a long way. Private showings are also important. They allow buyers to see your home at their convenience. Be flexible with scheduling. The more showings you have, the better your chances of getting an offer. Working with a skilled real estate agent is essential. They will handle all the details for you. They'll market your property, negotiate offers, and guide you through the entire process. Find an agent you trust and feel comfortable with. Getting multiple offers is exciting. It means you've priced your home right. Now it's time to negotiate the best deal. Don't just focus on the price. Consider the closing date, contingencies, and other factors. Your real estate agent will be your best advisor during this process. They'll help you evaluate each offer carefully. They'll negotiate on your behalf to get you the best possible terms. Selling your home can be stressful, but with the right preparation, you can make the process smoother. Remember to focus on making a great first impression, pricing your home competitively, and marketing it effectively.